Family is tonight mourning the loss of their only son, killed after crashing his motorbike near Bathurst last night. Investigations now in the hands of police, who are trying to piece together the moments leading up to the tragic accident.
Passionate about agriculture and a volunteer firefighter, Robert Neal was a country boy through and through. On Tuesday night, his life was cut short when the motorbike he was riding hit a tree outside of Bathurst on Glanmire Road, 2 kilometres from the Great Western Highway. He was found laying near the road by a driver passing by around 6 p.m. The rural road shortly after scattered with police and paramedics.
Unwitnessed, unknown time down, pupils extend-dilated, just currently trying to do airway and cannulation, thanks.
Police say it's not known how long the 21-year-old was there before being found.
We don't know timeframes prior to that or what happened in the lead up to that. That's certainly the subject of police inquiries.
He was later pronounced dead at the scene.
He still had signs of life upon the arrival of emergency services. Ambulance staff arrived and commenced CPR along with police.
Robert graduated from the local private boys' school, St Stanislaus College, in 2017. An active member of the school, having played in the rugby and cricket teams and participating in performing arts, leaving behind a partner and his parents without their only son. Police say Robert was wearing a helmet at the time of the incident. However, it's not yet known why his motorbike left the road. Police believe the collision was an accident. Naomi, Avery, 9 News.